Now we will talk about the atomic number and atomic mass. First, for the atomic number. I hope it's clear. Yes. The number of protons present in an atom is called the atomic number of that atom. Now you know that the number of proton is equal to the number of electrons also. So in both the ways you can say the number of protons or the number of electrons present in an atom is the atomic number of that atom. It is denoted by Z, right? It is denoted by Z, which is equal to the number of proton. So number of protons, which is also equal to number of electron, is the atomic number of the atom, which is denoted by Z. Now we have atomic mass. Atomic mass is number of protons plus number of neutrons. That is the number of protons plus number of neutrons gives you the mass number. Okay? Mass number is denoted by A. Now, number of proton is also the atomic number. Okay, as you can see, plus number of neutrons. So what you can say is number of neutrons can be written as A minus A minus Z, because this is Z. So number of neutrons can also be called as A minus Z, and atomic mass is also known as mass number. Atomic mass is also known as your mass number, and N is equal to, that is, number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. Atomic weight, atomic number minus the atomic the mass number minus the atomic number, A minus Z. The proton and the neutron in the nucleus together are called as nucleons. Now, they together are known as nucleons. ठीक है? Nucleons जो nucleus में रहते हैं, they together are said to be your nucleons. The nucleus of hydrogen has only one proton. हाइड्रोजन के लिए प्लीज सी एंड नो न्यूट्रॉन. ठीक है, इट हैज नो न्यूट्रॉन एंड वन प्रोटॉन इन हाइड्रोजन एंड वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो द मास नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज 1. Similarly, the mass number of sodium. This is just giving you an example. Hydrogen, it is very important to know. The rest you can very well relate it. Yeah. The mass number of sodium, Na, is 23. We are talking about the mass number. Okay? And it contains 11 proton plus 12 neutrons. Hydrogen में 1 proton, 0 neutron. So these are the different things which you need to know. And the way to denote it, that is, you can say the nuclear notation of atom. Nuclear notation of an atom. When we are placing the mass number, the atomic number together with the atom is given as ZXA or ZXA. Anyhow, this is the mass number, this is the atomic number, and this is the nuclear notation. This is how we denote. If any symbol is like this, you will very easily be knowing that this is the atomic number, this is the mass number. Here we have the isotopes, isobars and isotones. Very important part of this chapter, and a very easy one also. Now children, the isotopes are the atoms of elements which have same number of same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number means they have same number of protons, and electrons you can say, but the mass number is different. For example, the isotope of hydrogen, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3, they are all having the same atomic number but different atomic masses. We are again having the isotopes of carbon as, then one more example, 6, 13 and 6C, 14. These are the isotopes of carbon. So we are having different examples also. You can go through the book for that also. But two examples you should know, that atoms of element, now they are the same element. You'll see the difference also. They are the same element for all hydrogen and for all carbons. So the atom of elements which have same number of which have same atomic number but different mass number are known as your isotopes. Okay, so isotopes of hydrogen and isotopes of carbon. The second thing is isobar. Here the keyword is different element. The atom of different element having same mass number but different atomic number, Z. For example, we are having isobars of sodium. The mass number is same, the atomic number is different of sodium and magnesium. For other example for isobars we are having is the isobars of nitrogen and oxygen, that is 7N14, and we are having another one for oxygen is 8 hota hai uska, 8O15. Okay, nitrogen का भी 7 this isotope of this, okay, 7N nitrogen 15 and 8 oxygen 15. Now you cannot just write any element as isobar कि दोनों का एक जैसा कर दिया. They need to exist, and for that you need to learn the examples. We are having nitrogen as isobars, then we are having lithium and beryllium, and there are a few more examples. You can go through it. The other one is isotones, atoms of different element. What you see is for isotope we are having the atom of the same material or same element, but here for both of them we are having atoms of different element having different mass number, different atomic number, but the same number of neutrons. The number of neutrons, that is A minus Z, is same. The example is of again sodium and magnesium. If you minus them, in both the cases you are getting what? Right? So 23 minus 11 gives you how many number of neutrons? 12. Okay, and in the other also you are getting here Mg and Mg 24, right? You are getting 12 neutrons. Okay, so in both the cases the number of neutrons are same. So these are your isotones.